The Government of India granted geographical indication (GI) recognition for two traditional Lepcha musical instruments, Tungbuk and Pamtong Pulit, giving a major cultural boost to the Lepcha community of Sikkim. This recognition marks an important step in promoting and preserving the rich cultural heritage of Lepcha tribe at both national and international levels. The tungbuk is a three-string instrument while the pamtong pulit is a bamboo flute as image shown in front page. This is tungbuk and right side pamtong pulit Lepcha musical instruments. They were officially registered under musical instrument category of Geographical Indication Registry, Government of India on the 5th of November 2025. The GI registration certificates were formally presented on Business Day during the first tribal business conclave held in New Delhi. During the first tribal business conclave held in New Delhi, organized by the Union Ministries of Culture, Tribe Affairs and Commerce and Industry, Eugen Paljor Lepcha and Namgyal Lepcha, who had submitted the GI tag applications for the Sikkim Lepcha Tungbuk and Sikkim Lepcha Pamtong Pulit respectively received their certificates at the event. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal, Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Jewel Oram attended the event. About Lepcha tribe. Lepcha tribe are originally inhabitants of the Himalayan region, particularly in Sikkim state and the Darjeeling district of West Bengal. The Lepcha tribes are also in eastern parts of Nepal and in western Bhutan. They are classified as scheduled tribe in the state of Sikkim. The Lepchas call themselves Rongs and Rongkups. They occupy the southern and eastern slopes of Mount Kanchenjunga, world's third highest mountain. They speak the language of Lepcha, which has its own script based on Sanskrit. They have a regular festival involving singing and dancing as well as archery contest. This is about Lepcha tribe.